what is known as singular and what is known as plural. Okay. So first of all, open your grammar workbook. Have you opened, children? Okay. Now see on page number 11. What I have written here that is given in your book. See, this one is the definition. Okay. So see in your book, a noun is a singular when it means one person, one object or one place. For example, we have given here boy. Okay. So what is known as singular? Singular means when we are talking about one person, one object or one place or any one thing. At that time it is known as singular. For example, here given boy. So boy is a one, right? So it is known as singular. Okay, children? Now see, a noun is plural when it means more than one. More than one when we add s. Okay? To boy it becomes boys. See children, in singular we were writing boy. Okay, so it is one boy only, so we will write here boy. Now, a noun is a plural when it means more than one. More than one means 2, 4, 6, 8. And so see here, more than one when we add s to boy. See, here we have written in singular boy. Okay, so in plural what we are writing? In boy if we add s, so it will become boys. Understand children? Which means more than one. Okay, boy means one boy and boys means if it will be 2 also, 4 also, 6 also. Okay, so did you understand what is the difference between singular and what is known as a plural? Okay, now see, we will move further. First of all, see here we have given example singular noun and plural noun. Okay, so what is here given? Banana. So here it is one banana and here it is many banana. One banana means we are talking only about one thing. Okay, and here we have many bananas. So this is singular and this is known as plural. Okay, now see here, look at Tina's school bag, fill in the blanks. We have given here Tina's school bag. Okay, so we have to read this and we have to fill in the blanks. Now see first one, what is given? There are 3 blanks. So 3, what you can see here? 3 books. See 1, 2 and 3. So in the first blank we will write there are 3 books. Understand children? This is plural. Why plural? Because here it comes 3 books. Understand? It is more than one. That's why here we will add s. Now 1 blank. So what is given here? 1. What is 1 here children? See in the school bag. It is lunch box. So we will write here lunch box. Will you understand children what I am saying? Okay. Now see 2 blanks. So see here what is given? 2. 1 and 2. 2 pencils. So we will write here pencils. Why we have add here s children? Because they are more than one pencil. So we will write here pencils and lunch box is only one. So we have not add here s. It will be lunch box. Okay. Now next is and 5 blank in the bag. So what is 5? See 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 notebooks. So it is more than one. So here again notebooks. We will write here s again. Why s? Because we have given here 5 notebooks. 5 means again it is more than 1. Okay children, clear up till here? Okay. Now see on page number 12. Here. Children, here we have given some brackets. Here we have given one chart. From that words we have to find out which is singular noun and which is plural noun. Okay. So see here. Fill in the columns with the correct nouns from the chart. We have given this yellow color chart. So we have to find out the words which are singular and which are plural. Okay, so let's start with this. Now see here, first one it is given a beer. Beer. Right? Okay, so now see a beer. Beer means we are not adding here s. See, in plural we have to add s. Beer means it is only one. So we will write in it will be our singular. So here understand children? Now see, second number we have given an egg. An egg means it is only one egg, right? Yes or no? Yes, it is one only. So we will again write here in singular noun. It will be an egg. Are you understanding children what I am saying you? Okay, now see, third one we have given cakes. Cakes, it is last, see what word comes? It comes S. And cake means if it is written like this children, C-A-K-E, then this will be singular, right? Because only one cake. But if we will write here cakes, we will write here S. So here we have given so many cakes. That's why we will write this in a plural. See, right here cakes. Understand? Now, see here third number. What is third given? A desk. Desk means children a bench on which you are sitting. Yes, and on the bench you put your books, right? So you put your books. That is known as a desk. So desk is only one. So we will write here a desk. It is singular because it is only one desk. Understand? Now see, in the next chart we have given caps. Caps means more than one. Why more than one we can say? Because here it is S. Are you understanding? Now see, next one we have given a drum. Drum, you can see here children, picture of a drum. Okay, so a drum means only one drum. So we will write again in a singular. Understand? Okay, now see, next one is a chair. Chair is only one. So one means when it is one thing, when what we are writing in? We are writing in it singular. So it will be again in singular, a chair. Okay, now see next one. It is crayons. Crayons means the colors you are using, right? See here crayons we have given here in the last. Okay, so crayons, there are many crayons. So here we will write C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. Crayons. Why crayons? Here it is S. We will write it in a plural nouns. Now again, see third chart is a pen. So here pen is only one, right? So we will write it in a singular. Why singular? Because only one pen is there. So it will be singular. Now see next, crows. Crows are so many, right? So we will write it in a plural. Crows. Now what we have given? Stars. Stars, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So many stars we have given, right? So we will write it in a plural again. Okay. Now see, last one it is given a park. Park is only one children. Okay. So we will write here in the singular. Now see, a door. Door means in your home you have door, right? Door is only one here. Okay. So we will write it in a singular. Understand up till here? Now see what is given? Kites. Kites means there are more than one kites. So again it will be in a plural. So we will write here kites. Now see what is given here. Apples. Apples means more than one apples. There are so many apples. So we will write again in a plural. And last one is what is given? Trains. Trains. There are many trains. Okay, more than one. So here we will write trains. Okay, children. Did you understand up till here? Okay. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.